Hello everyone, hope you are doing well, hope you are doing fine at various places that you are. Welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Kasaya Dolphin. For newcomers or new subscribers, welcome and welcome at this home, this specifically for education and real life. And another channel is Del Jones Mohanja. If you subscribe to one of my channel, I will subscribe back. So follow me at my IG Del Jones, Kasaya Dolphin, and Facebook page Del Jones the Teacher. I thank Almighty God for another day and welcome all to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Let God bless us all. So I thank Almighty God. It is another day that God has made for us, and it is very beautiful Friday. It is a calm day, but this is the day that no Team Strong, no Team J, no Team Hamam that needs to reach weekend. That is Friday. Friday, it is a very tiresome day. It is Brandon Friday, it is J Friday. Throughout, you are just tired ever. So, guys, I'm just out here because I'm out here in the climate is calm, but we have something that I'm suffocating from. I'm suffocating from the soil. I don't know why. I don't know because I can't see wind anywhere. It was windy yesterday, but today on weekend, it is not windy, but I can suffocate. I can smell the soil. So I'm suffocating from soil. I don't know where you are. Are you experiencing the same? It is very hard to breathe. Whenever you breathe, I don't breathe fresh air. Instead, I'm breathing soil in me. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. It is Friday. It is weekend. It is weekend. It is weekend. J Friday, okay? So this is not easy day. Friday and Saturday, it is not easy. Hakuna mwana mjei, mwana Sagala, mwana Kadama anapenda hii Friday sababu Friday na Saturday unafanya kazi kama ng'ombe, unafanya kazi kama ng'ombe, unafanya kazi kama punda, unafanya kazi kama sijui nini. But let's hope God is there and everything will go well. Above everything, there is God. Hashtag God above everything and much love. Love you guys. Till next time at our next video. Bye bye. Nimeenda mjei sawa. Tutaonana baadaye. Say baadaye.